You're watching Zara's Variety Channel.
Hi, today we're doing a review of the VersionTech external CDR DVD drive. This is one of the best budget external DVD CD burner drives that you can get, especially if you're looking to replace an old one for an older Apple or iMac. This is compatible with Windows 98, SE, ME, 2000, XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8, 10, and Mac OS. It's really especially designed for MacBook, an Ultrabook laptop, or PC without an internal drive. It's plug and play. It doesn't require a driver. No external power is needed. It is powered by USB 2.0, and it's really pretty simple. So if your Mac or your MacBook Pro, your iMac is internal CDR Superdrive is not functioning, or you need a replacement, or if you have a Mac Air, this would be MacBook Air. This would be a good add-on for it. So it does have a hardwired USB cord, and it is pretty short. But for $29.99, the VersionTech CD player is pretty cool. It's got slot-in design. It's got the shock-proof little rubber mount on the bottom here, and it's really slim. And it comes with a nice aluminum finish. It's probably a little more plasticky than aluminum though. So again, it's powered by the USB port off your computer. There is no eject button, so you do need to use the eject button from your computer. The dimensions, it's like 5.4 inches, the VersionTech. It's 5.4 by 5.6 by 0.6 inches. So we're going to go ahead and plug it into the computer and see how reliable it is. It does have 8-speed read on plus CDRs, but has a 24-speed CD-ROM burning speed. So kind of cool. We picked it up because our iMac internal CD drive has failed. So we found this on Amazon. It was one of their best sellers, so we figured this would be a good shot to give it a try, and we're going to go ahead and plug it in and burn a CD. Okay, so here we have the VersionTech CD burner connected to our iMac. And for size comparison, it's pretty small, like 5.4 inches long. We put a Samsung portable SSD T5 on top and a penny. So it's pretty small, slim. You get a little idea how slim it is. And we'll go ahead and slide in a CD and burn one. There we go. And we'll see if it mounts. So there's a CD that was just inserted into the VersionTech CDR burner, and that's the untitled CD, and the CD next to it is the one we're going to burn. So we're going to go ahead and dump this CD here into the other and burn the CD. So to get an idea, we're actually recording from this old school Sony that's still kicking. We're burning from, this is the source disk to our VersionTech CDR, and again, this thing is super quiet, and it's just finishing. Our CD title trailers. I'm not actually using a program, I'm using the Mac's utility. There we go. Starting to make a little bit of noise right there. It's verifying. So now it makes a little bit of noise. The only disadvantage I see so far is that it's a really short cable that is not, it is permanently attached. So, but at $24.99, I don't think you can go wrong with VersionTech. So there we've successfully finished burning our CD called Trailers. Now we're going to go ahead and eject it. Again, there is no eject button, so you do need to use the computer eject button. And here we go. And it functions just like a CDR should. Let's see. It's functioning just like a CD burner should. So if you're looking for a CD burner, definitely check out the VersionTech on Amazon. It's like $29.99. I'll put a link below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. We really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.